Imagine a world where your marketing strategies are supercharged by the most cutting-edge technology available, generative AI. Generative AI has the potential to save you incredible amounts of time and money, and you have the opportunity to be at the forefront. Get up to speed on using generative AI in your business in a thoughtful way with our new offering, Generative AI for Marketers, which comes in 2 flavors, workshops and a course.
Yeah, so that's not me. That's an avatar of me made with generative AI. Would you like to know how that works? Are you just getting started on your generative AI efforts? Do you need to understand the what, why, and how of generative AI? 2 things to help you. First, you can book a generative AI workshop, half day or full day, at your company. You'll have me on site to do an intensive hands-on workshop on generative AI. When you're done with the workshop, you'll have a catalog of your own prompts and results using your people, your data, and your company. It's a massive jumpstart for your AI efforts that will lead to enhanced creativity as well as massive boosts in productivity, time savings, and cost efficiencies. Second, you can take our new Generative AI for Marketers self-paced course. In a virtual learning environment, you'll take the course content, build prompts, take assessments, and come out with your personal jumpstart for generative AI and a certificate of completion that will make you one of the most valuable employees at your company. Both the workshops and course offer the same learning path. Hands-on learning for the 6 major use case categories. A plan and a sales pitch to help you sell the use of AI internally to your stakeholders. A roadmap for who should be on your AI pilot team and your internal AI council. Your first custom AI that you will build for your business. Yeah, it does require the paid version of ChatGPT, just fair warning. Tactical and strategic knowledge of generative AI that will help you lead your team in the new AI landscape, and a priority matrix of the tasks you'll want to consider for AI enablement. How to get started? If you want a workshop, go to trustinsights.ai/AI services and fill out the form there. If you want a course, go to trustinsights.ai/AI course and register there. If you register before December 13th, 2023 with the discount code EARLYBIRD300, you'll get $300 off the course fee. Here's what other folks have had to say after attending these workshops in the last 2 months. Emily, a marketer design firm, said, "This workshop was a deep dive into the intricacies of multimodal AI and large language models that will pave the way for rapid advancements in our industry. I loved this event and how informative and hands-on it was." Holly, owner of a marketing agency, said, "A great workshop with Christopher Penn. Thank you for leading us through a helpful and insightful day of AI learning and experimentation. Real hands-on work." Generative AI has the potential to save you incredible amounts of time and money. And if you have the opportunity to be at the forefront, get up to speed today with one of these offerings, and you'll remain in the lead as a person, as a team, and as a business. Take one of those options today. Oh, and by the way, just a little hint, with AI generated video, the one thing you generally won't see that you'll see in an authentic video like most of this one is all the screw ups. So look for those mistakes as an indicator that you're probably looking at something authentic. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.